Hello, it is Friday morning, the 25th day of January 2013. Welcome to this morning's video. It will be a quick one, just the daily chart for silver. We'll talk about more later on after the day is over or into the weekend. 31.22 is the price of silver, down 1.33%, or down 2% for the week. It was 7 days ago where the United States Mint was announcing that they couldn't handle the demand, thus they had a stock out. As I remember learning in marketing class, where you run out of inventory. Remember, the markets don't trade on the real news. They'll tell you that markets are up or down on this, but don't believe the hype. Let's look on the daily chart now. Okay, we're right at this level, right at this mark. And if you watched my video yesterday, you would have known hours ago or late last night that this would have occurred because it was unable to develop that inverted head and shoulders pattern. It did stay and hold below this level for quite some time. Thus, we're now down to an area of the first support mark. Question is, will it find the area of support? This is where you would shorten out the time frame. You start to see rallies from here, then you start to adjust the Fibonacci ratio from this point to this point, and if it shows analysis that it's looking to break through, then I would be looking for this area to break through and the next support level to be 30.43 all the way down to this 30 range. But before we get into that, let's see how this thing reacts, because when you have a situation where you're in a downtrend like this was, then what you need to do to reverse the trend is break above the average that occurred in here, have a successful correction. So now the determination, will this be a successful correction? I'll need to see it get above the previous high, thus make a higher high for me to give any precedence for that to be the case. I'll talk to you guys and gals later on. Bye-bye.